Hello friends, I am Saurabh. Today I will discuss about the meaning of International Human Resource Management, that is IHRM. When human resource decisions assume a global perspective, it becomes IHRM or cross-cultural human resource management. IHRM is about the worldwide management of human resource. It examines the way in which international organizations manage their human resources across these different national contexts. These different contexts signifies that different nation differs with respect to requirement of workings in organizations that operates in different nation. So such difference in working is considered as different context. IHRM helps a firm to grow and prosper across the globe. IHRM is the process of sourcing, allocating, and effectively utilizing human resources in a multinational organization. Thank you.